If somebody told me a few years ago that Dogecoin, which started as a joke, is getting its own ETF, I would probably think that person is crazy. Well, crypto adoption exploded in recent years, and now rumors around a Dogecoin ETF are heating up, with the odds of approval looking stronger than ever. Some analysts are even saying there's a 93% chance we'll see it approved soon. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. In this video, I'll break down what's happening with these Dogecoin ETF rumors, what the whales are doing behind the scenes, and where I think the price is headed in this bull run. So stick with me. Now let's start with the ETF itself. A fund called the Rex-Osprey DOGE ETF, ticker DOJE, could launch any day now. If it does, it would give US investors a way to buy into Dogecoin through traditional markets without actually holding Doge. That's a massive step for a meme coin because it basically puts it on the same stage where Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are already trading. It shows that meme coins aren't just internet jokes anymore. They're moving into serious financial products. I mean, we've seen this before with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. The hype comes first, people pile in, and then there's usually a buy the rumor, sell the news moment. And the charts on Dogecoin tell exactly that story. Back on August 15th, the initial hype hit. Retail traders tried to buy the dip, but whales took profit and the price got racked. Classic FOMO behavior. Fast forward to early September. September 4th and 8th, we saw a second wave. FOMO kicked in again as the ETF looked closer and the price jumped slightly. But then, once more, it cooled off. The market is basically waiting to see if this ETF is really going to happen. Now, let's talk about whales. This part is really interesting. On-chain data I found on Sentiment shows the highest spike in Dogecoin whale transactions in nearly a month. We're talking about 118 whale transactions in just one day, each worth over 1 million. And that spike happened right at the Dogecoin price top. That tells me whales were unloading into retail excitement, locking in profits. But here's where it gets bullish. Right after that, wallets holding between 1 million and 10 million Doge started to accumulate heavily. These wallets now hold almost 11 billion Doge, about 7.2% of the supply. That's the highest level since December 2021. And when mid-sized whales accumulate like this, it usually signals confidence going into the next big move. So, what does all this mean for price? Personally, as I've said in some of our previous videos, Dogecoin is still the best meme coin play for me in this bull run. These ETF rumors only strengthen that view. Even if there's a sell the news event right after launch, the long-term impact of a Dogecoin ETF would be huge. It opens the door for more mainstream adoption and even gives credibility to meme coins as a whole. However, short-term, I expect more choppy action. If the ETF approval comes through, we could see a sharp rally. But don't be surprised if whales dump into that hype again. Medium to long term though, I think Dogecoin has a real shot at retesting its previous bull run highs at around $0.45 and maybe even setting new ones. In my mind, based on everything I just told you, Dogecoin is perfectly positioned to capture both retail and mainstream money. So, to wrap it up, I think Dogecoin ETF rumors are more than just noise. The odds of approval are high, whale accumulation is at multi-year levels, and the charts show that this coin is gearing up for something big. And I will say it again, for me, Dogecoin remains the top meme coin play, and this ETF narrative only makes me more confident in that view. But that's just how I see it. What about you? Do you think a Dogecoin ETF could be the thing that takes Doge back to new highs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, if you liked the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one. Thank you and see you soon.